Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the body, I'm gonna throw the body on the chassis. This thing's a roller now. I don't have the radius rods done yet, but kind of like just a special quick little episode. I'm gonna blow the garage out with my leaf blowers. In order to do that, I'm gonna take the body, set it on the chassis, and I'm gonna roll this thing outside. Get to see what this thing looks like for the first time outside, rolling on full wheels and tires. This is always a big moment when you're building a hot rod. And I want to make sure you guys got to enjoy it while I did. Let's get the body lifted up and get this thing rolled backwards. So I got some modifications to do on the edges of the rocker panel. Alright, let's throw this grill shell on real quick. Coming in hot. Whoop, whoop. That's it so far. I got my patch panels in. All my patch panels are here now. So I can get my patch panels done so at least the bottom of the car will look a little better. It's getting there. Let's take a walk around. I know the cameras don't always like the sun, so trying to keep my hand over the lens. It's definitely something that could have been back in the day, and that's what I want. You know? That's what we're doing over here in Middleborough, Mass. Alright guys, what do you think? Hopefully you, hopefully you're digging it. You know, the proportions are a little off with the rear wheel well. I'll certainly give it that. Alright guys, what do you think? The working man sedan, the budget build, as you guys know. It's a 3031 two-door sedan. This was purchased from a gentleman, forget exactly where, somewhere out in Massachusetts. Came from New York, from what I'm told, and it was an absolute piece of garbage. And now it's kind of a hot rod, so that's pretty cool. I'm having fun working on this car. This is a fun build. You know, it's time consuming like any car is to build from scratch, but I'm having a good time doing it. I'm learning, I'm gaining confidence, gaining, you know, more skills and new ideas, and you know, like you do anytime you're working on something, no matter what it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy where this thing's going. I think it's going to look so much better with my patch panels in place. Like I said, I have from the cowl, I have the cowl panel, the door panel, and the rear quarter panel. Around the back, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that yet. I haven't quite decided. They don't make a patch panel for it, and I'm sure I could make one, but I'm not sure I want to take the time to do it. I think once I get the sides done, get everything finished welded where it needs to be, I think it's just going to be time to move it along. So I'm pretty happy where it's coming out. So pretty happy where it's headed. And yeah, thanks everyone for all your support. Just a super quick video. Thought you guys would like to see it rolled out of the garage for the first time. This is a big moment when building the car. You know, you make it a roller, you get your motor and trans in, you sit in it, you figure out your pedals. That's a big moment. You know, and then you roll it outside and see what it looks like. And that's probably one of the biggest moments besides driving it. I'm happy with the stance. I think the stance looks pretty good. It has a little bit of a rake to it. I'm gonna drop you guys down. Got a little bit of a rake to it. Like I said, probably the thing I don't like the most is these wheel wells. When you drop the, you know, beforehand, the wheel well was 6 inches higher. So it's just something you get either, you don't mind it or you hate it. I particularly don't care for the look, but I don't know that this metal's good enough to cut to move this wheel well forwards. I certainly could. It would help the look of the car, that's for sure. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I didn't even notice there's all rot right here too. Yeah. Oh well. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. This old hot rod, 2-door sedan, first time rolled out outside of the garage. Little bonus episode. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.